Welcome to Rare Green Project Limited, where nature meets innovation. Our journey started in 2022 with a passionate team and a united vision for sustainable agriculture and animal farming.
First, we have the large white breed. Renowned for its adaptability, large whites thrive in various climates and farming systems. Their robust health and excellent reproductive performance make them a top choice for pig farmers. Large white sows typically give birth to 12 to 15 piglets in their first farrow, with subsequent farrows producing up to 18 piglets. They reach a market weight of around 125 kg within 5 to 6 months, ensuring maximum productivity and profitability due to their high feed efficiency.
Our foreign-bred pigs, such as the LRIS and robust KS11, thrive here on a 7-acre farm, showcasing quality and excellence. And these are foreign-based pigs, right? So we give them foreign food, which makes them more delicious, flavorful, and yummy.
Introducing the KS11 breed, a modern marvel in pig breeding. Known for its exceptional feed efficiency and rapid growth, KS11 pigs offer a cost-effective solution for high-quality pork production. KS11 sows generally give birth to up to 15 piglets in their first farrow, with subsequent farrows reaching over 20 piglets. These pigs can achieve a market weight of 109 to 120 kg in about 5 to 6 months. Their resilience to diseases and adaptability to various environments make them an ideal choice for innovative pig farming practices.
Every product on our farm guarantees top-notch quality and freshness. This is our promise to you.
The LRIS breed is celebrated for its outstanding reproductive efficiency and prolificacy. LRIS sows are exceptional mothers, often birthing 12 to 15 piglets in their first farrow and up to 18 piglets in subsequent farrows. With a balanced physique and strong growth rate, LRIS pigs can reach a market weight of 115 kg within 5 to 6 months. They excel in both intensive and extensive farming systems, offering versatile and reliable performance. Their superior maternal instincts and excellent milk production ensure the healthy development of piglets. Next, the DURAC breed stands out for its exceptional growth rate and efficient feed conversion. Known for producing well-marbled, tender, and flavorful meat, DURACs meet high consumer demands. DURAC sows usually have litters of 10 to 12 piglets in their first farrow. These pigs grow rapidly, reaching a market weight of 113 to 136 kg in 5 to 6 months. Their robust health, adaptability, strong maternal traits, and docile temperament make them a cornerstone of commercial pork production.
With a drive for excellence, increased production, and continuous improvement, we thrive to ensure that we have strategic partnerships to create your happiness. Come visit us today and create our green revolution.